Welcome to HybridHero. Let's learn about how to book desk, meeting room, and parking from HybridHero mobile application. You can book a desk, meeting room, or parking space using the Locate or Book tab in the mobile app. In the Locate tab, view the floor plan for your default location. You can adjust the date and time. Availability is color-coded: green available, orange available by request, red booked, gray unavailable, and blue booked by you. Tap an available space. If necessary, adjust the start time or end time, and tap Book to confirm. Alternatively, you can make the booking with the Book tab. Select the space type from the dropdown, where available spaces are shown in green on the calendar. Modify the location or start time and end time as needed. Select a date or change the desk, and confirm by tapping Book. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions at support@hybridhero.com or simply leave a comment or message for more information.